Hello. Hello, my name is Maverick Collins. This is my screencast for Milestone 1 for Java 2 with instructor Shad Sluiter. Um, so for Milestone 1, we were tasked with building a basic store, um, and we had a tutorial to walk through. So we'll quickly breeze through. Hopefully, if I can move this, it's just a little too big with the Zoom share screen feature. Bear with me here. There we go. Okay, now I can see it. All right. So yeah, we had to build a couple different programs, classes that were given to us. We have the first one that was built was I think saleable products is what I built first. I got this set up before I got the engine set up, if you will, the user interface. So I created the base class saleable product, made it an abstract class that is then going to be inherited by fruits, just per the problem description with the have these properties, these methods, constructor, etc., vegetables, same idea. And then last but not least, beverages, which is using a list. Per the problem description, we were asked to incorporate a list. So we used an array list where I have getters and setters for all of them, add ingredients to the list. We're going to add it. Same with we're going to remove the list based on the ingredient ID. Pretty straightforward. Program runs. Let's take a look at the input utilities. Input utilities is the brains of the program. It controls all these scanner features. So the different read int, as you can see here, we have read int followed by different requirements for different methods we're using. So that handles all of our input variables. And then the kind of the other meat and potatoes here is the UI. So first we'll go over customer actions. We got the basic menu here, followed by a switch. So the switch is going to read. Here we're using the input utilities read int method, where we're asking the user to enter value between 0 and 6. So this forces the user to enter value 0 to 6. And then we're going to capture that case. Okay, if it's a 1, chose to view products. This is the milestone 1. So this is per the screenshot that the instructor put out. Same with the store manager actions. It's going to look very similar to the customer actions. The menu is just a little different here. I've preloaded the customer menu, and you could see it comparatively to the manager menu. The differences are inventory versus cart, and then we can add or we could save and load inventory for the manager, whereas with the customer, you can view the cart or check out. So pretty straightforward. We were just tasked with building the UI and creating our saleable product and derived classes of it. And I guess we'll just run the program. Hopefully this isn't over 5 minutes. So it runs. Welcome to the storefront application. We'll be using the app as a customer or store manager. I'm going to say customer. So here you can see the customer menu and want to view products. We'll select option 3. You chose to add product to cart. This is milestone 1. No actual function has been implemented yet. So, yep, that's it. Could have wrapped this in a while loop. I wasn't sure if we wanted to do that. I saw his code incorporated the storefront class, and I saw that was part of milestone 2. So I didn't want to create that yet. I didn't bother throwing customer actions and store manager actions in a continuous while loop to keep this prompt interface going. So I held off on that. That's the only functionality that might be missing, but it's a working program. I'll run it again, and we'll show you the store manager 2. As you can see, same sort of deal. We'll say I want to add product to inventory. You chose to add product to inventory. This is milestone 1. No actual function has been implemented yet. So this is my screencast for milestone 1, and thank you for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.